Hello everyone, welcome to SIR, the Institute of English and Personal Development. Today we are at Trikonba Raja for walk and talk activity. Jagdish sir and entire team and all our students are here to represent something new, yes, something interesting about Lord Ganesha. So we'll start our event just now. I request all the Instagram viewers, please keep commenting. Yes friends, so today our first personality, Mr. Divya Domadia, is coming on the stage. Please, Divya Domadia, come here. Come little bit closer. Is it okay? Yeah. So Divya, first question is that, what are the learning lessons of different parts of Lord Ganesha? It's a beautiful, amazing idol. So there are different parts. So can you tell me that what are learning lessons from different part of Lord Ganesha's body?
Sure, sir. Sir, the first thing of which we notice in the idol is the huge stomach of the Ganesha. And nowadays, sir, as talking about the current scenarios, people gossip, sir, a lot much. And sir, they don't digest the thing. They pass the thing. If one woman shares a secret with another, then people share the secrets, even if it is related to their personal life, their professional life, or any other thing related. Sir, people mostly gossip. But sir, Lord Ganesha, sir, big stomach always suggests that you have to digest the secret.
Oh, nice. Means that is why it is a big stomach.
Yes, sir. They digest all the secret. Then the second thing with it, that sir, there are some red cuts on their body, and sir, this red cut means that there is so much negativity around us in this time. But we have to make a thin way through this negativity, and we have to go through this negativity. And sir, apart from it, sir, Lord Ganesha is always holding, sir, a lotus in their hands. Sir, this lotus always, sir, suggests that in this environment, lotus, sir, always grows in mud, as we all know.
Yeah.
So, sir, now such is the current scenario, sir. Nowadays, there is, sir, all the places, sir, negativity around us.
Right.
But in these times of negativity, we have to stay positive from the positiveness from our inside of the body. So we have to, sir, always stay positive. Now then comes, sir, to most important things of the Lord Ganesha. That is, sir, the ears and the mouths.
Right.
How? Because, sir, nowadays, sir, on social medias and everywhere, sir, people want to speak. No one wants to listen. Everyone wants to express their opinion in each and every manner. Wherever they will go, they will not leave it. So, sir, Lord Ganesha always suggests that speak as much as little as possible, because you will never regret when you will not speak, but you will might regret when you speak sometimes somewhere else, something ill of someone.
Means you want to say that listen double and speak single. Means listen more and speak when necessity or needed, right?
Yeah, sir. Even, sir, the foreign investors such as Mr. Warren Buffett, he always says, sir, first the tomorrow's listener becomes tomorrow's earner.
Okay.
Today's listener, tomorrow's leader.
Means you want to say every part has something to learn.
Yes, sir.
And now, do you like this place, and how is the place? That how is the created this statue?
Sir, there are, sir, so many things around things, sir. Apart from the big idol which directly attracts our attention, there are also so many things such as the small beauty, even more beautiful idols which even gets our attention. And sir, apart from it, the lighting and the decoration and with the, sir, color of the idol has been perfectly matched.
So do you like this place?
Yeah, sir, extremely. And
So,
devotees must visit one time at Trikonba.
Okay, do you like this event? How is the event?
Yeah, sir, obviously it is quite different from regular activities, because not every institute gives us chance to visit such religious places, and which is a quite different thing. And so I think, sir, every institute should do it, so that there must be some religion and thing in it.
We are very connected to God. Thank you very much. Take your seat. So that was Divya. Fantastic presentation by Divya. Now, second, we have Trushi. Trushi, please come here. Please stand here. So, Trushi, your question is that, why should we worship Lord Ganesha before every auspicious occasion? Briefing.
Okay, sir. It's behind one story that one day
Loudly.
Agnidev,
Come closer.
Agnidev, Jaldev and Vayudev came at one place, and they discussed each other that who will worship first. So Agnidev told that I have power to destroy the whole world, and without me is nothing in the world. And then Jaldev speak that I have power to sing this whole world, and without me, all animals will die because of thirst. And they three lord discussed each other and argued each other, and then they decided to came to Lord Shiva, and Lord Shiva will answer to that question. So after some time they came to Lord Shiva, and Lord Shiva listened their question, and Lord Shiva give one task that you all lords will come on one special place, that one special task that you have to around this whole world, and who will first come here, it will be winner.
Right.
So
right.
all lords came to parikrama, means
Okay.
came to
They took parikrama.
yeah,
Right.
took parikrama, and but only Ganpati was stand here, and they do only parikrama between Lord Shiva and Parvati.
Around Lord Shiva.
Yeah.
About the parents.
Yeah, 108 times.
Oh.
Yeah, sir. And then after complete this, Lord Shiva asked to Ganpati, why you did this? So Lord Ganesha gave answer that my mother and my father is everything.
Okay.
Nothing is.
They are my world.
Yeah.
So I will take the parikrama of my parents only.
Yeah, sir. So that's why we worship to first in
Ganesha,
every
beautiful. Auspicious occasion. Wow, wonderful information. Thank you very much. Take your seat. So that was Trushi. Thank you so much, Trushi. And one more thing, it's a hot summer day. People are perspiring even though they come here for darshan. Really, it's amazing place. Now I request Durva to come here. Please come here. Durva, your question is that who started Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav? And what was the purpose of that Ganesh Utsav in Maharashtra? Especially it was started in Maharashtra. In Gujarat it is here Rajkot, but in Maharashtra it was there. So what was the purpose? So can you tell me?
Indian freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak
Loudly.
Indian freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak started Ganesh Utsav. When British Sarkar banned the anti-social public gatherings in 1892, but Lokmanya Tilak started 1893 first Ganesh Utsav in Maharashtra, and Kesvi Chol Nayak Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav
Okay.
is there.
So do you like this festival and activities, these all the things?
Yes, I like most this festival and activities, all of things.
Okay. So thank you very much. Next. Hi Bhavya. Yes. Please come close. Okay. Who is the winner of Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav 9 times in Gujarat?
Trikon Bakka Raja is a winner.
Where we are standing right
yes.
now. So it is
Uh,
how
it
many
is
times?
9-time winner.
Friends, it's a very interesting news. 9-time winner Trikonbaka Raja in Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav every year, back to back. Yes, for the last 22 years, it is one of the best pandal, one of the best idol. Very nice.
And
So,
this place is not famous in Rajkot, but also famous in Saurashtra and Gujarat region.
wow, you like?
Yes.
So, will you come with your parents here?
Yes. sure.
Thank you, thank you. So, very nice information. Everybody is having something to say about Lord Ganesha. Here we have a nice activity. Please come here. Yes, Krina. Would you please describe this whole pandal? Right now we are in a very beautiful place. So come closer to me. So now you can start.
Yes, so first of all, we see the statue of Lord Ganesha, such a beautiful statue of Lord Ganesha. There are decorated with pink, white and green flowers and mini LED lights, and there are many small Ganpati's statue
Yeah.
that calls Mannat Ka Raja, and there are also Riddhi Siddhi behind the Ganpati.
Yes, Riddhi Siddhi is there.
And
Very nice.
fruits are for Ganpati ji, and Ganpati ji has 4 arms, two arms holds with weapons, and with one hand he gives us blessings, and one hand in modak.
Oh,
It
very
is-
nice. So you like this place?
Yes.
How is the color combination in these all the things?
Uh,
You like this theme, color
yes,
theme? Pink and red, these things.
and there are red colors
Yes.
combination.
Thank you very much. So that was Krina. Now Disha is there. Yes, Disha, please come here. Come close to me here. Yeah, exactly. So Disha, what are the qualities we can adopt from Lord Ganesha as per your opinion in personality?
Yes. His big ears means try to capture good things.
Listen only good.
Listen,
Very
huh.
good. Wow. Input is there, output will be there. Wow.
Yes.
Nice.
Okay. And it's his small eyes means try to capture good good quality.
Be sharp to your eyes like this. Whenever we are looking something like we become sharp. Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes. Laddu in his hand means.
Laddu is first thing. You like laddu?
Yes, I like
Okay.
laddu. Laddu in his hand means
Sweetness.
So, yes. Fill our life with sweetness and remove bitterness.
Wow. Very nice.
And his vehicle mouse means be polite and useful for.
And be flexible. Mouse is very small. You go to any street, mouse can go. If the vehicle is very big, you can't go. Right? So it's also very. When you go for shopping, two-wheeler is better or four-wheeler is better?
Two-wheeler is
So
better.
same. He has a two-wheeler.
His big head means
Big data.
yes, big in his
yes.
head.
Hard disk is very big. It's 1,000 times, millions and billion times GB hard disk. So we can learn a lot of things.
Yes,
Right?
okay,
So
thank
there are so many good points. You have to apply any one point from this.
And last, his big stomach means try to digest all fox big bad thing.
Oh, yeah, right.
Thank you.
Okay, does your father like this activity?
Yes, my father like this activity.
Thank you so much. So that was a very wonderful information from Dwisha. Now, here we are for Bhakti. Today is a Bhakti day and Bhakti is with me. So Bhakti will tell something about, I would like to ask you one thing, Bhakti. Can you please say something about the family? You know, Lord Ganesha's family is very wonderful family. So it is also Bhakti my family. So say something little bit.
He was the son of Lord Shiva and Ma Parvati. He are siblings. Name is Kartikeya and Sukasundri. He's son of Lap and Soup. And his wife name is Riddhi and Siddhi.
Both are here, right?
Yeah. And so its mount name is Mouse.
Okay. His vehicle name is Mouse. Okay.
Thank you.
So do you like his family? Thank you very much. So here friends, our purpose is to learn English, to develop personality. Our purpose. Sir Institute does not criticize anybody anytime for speaking wrong, because when you are doing wrong you learn things. हम जिंदगी में या तो सीखते हैं या तो जीतते हैं, कभी हारते नहीं हैं. Right. So we have Vidhiben, please come here. Yes, Vidhiben, I have a special question for you. Please come closer. So there is a special question. How many names of Lord Ganesha? Only I want some of the names. Actually, there are how many names? 108. 108 names are there. Please tell some names of Lord Ganesha.
I know many names like Lambodar, Ganpati, Gajanan, Ganadhyaksh, Bhalchandra, Ekdantaya, Vakratunda, Shumukh, Vikat, Gauriputra, Umaputra, Sankar Mochan, and Mahaganpati,
Vignaharta, Ekdanta. Right.
Ekdanta, Parmeshwar, Prathameshwara,
Oh,
and many more.
so do you believe in God?
Yes.
Wow, very nice. So God is everything.
My favorite god Ganesh.
Oh, your favorite God is there. Oh, very nice. So I think you speak 108 names every day. So all the vignas will be removed, right? Thank you. So that was a very nice information from Vidhi ji. So now I would like to invite Priyanka. So you see this statue is something different. Friends, it's very necessary to know that it is eco-friendly, right? So why should we use only eco-friendly, insist only eco-friendly Ganesha?
Eco-friendly, it means not harmful of environment. We can make nature fibers, clay, paper and other materials. All chemicals and allows family to avoid risky additives can then any of the issue. So we can eco-friendly product. So for save our family, water, environment and animal. So
Okay.
we can use eco-friendly.
So after Visarjan, it is not harmful for the any animals like that, right? It is very nice because when we worship and we harm the environment, it's not good.
Environment, water and also animals. So
Right,
it's,
we should not do this.
yes.
Wow, That was a very nice thought by Priyanka. Thank you very much. So wonderful. Now I would like to invite next Mr. Ramolia. Yes, Jamin.
Yes, sir.
Ganpati Bappa.
Moria.
Wow. So what are the different events? See, in Trikonbaka Raja, there are so many events are there. So can you tell me some events about Trikonbaka Raja here?
There are many events between 1 to 10 days. Then the first day cultural program, second day blood donate camp, third day Asya Darbar, fourth day Lord Shiv Stuti, fifth day Kasumbino Rang, and Garba.
Oh, 18 now.
18.
Yeah, it's a very important event. 18th Saturday there will be Garba. So you are all heartily invited.
Thank you, sir. And Lord Satyana's Katha.
Okay.
And last day also Purnavati program.
Okay.
And between 1 to 10 days, many event also organized like Mehndi competition, Rangoli competition, for children dance competition. There are many events here.
So it is all time, all in one program, right?
Yes,
there?
sir.
Religious and as well as for the society also.
Yes, sir.
So do you like this?
Yeah.
So please attend the Garba without missing.
Sure, sir.
We'll definitely all will enjoy.
Yes,
Thank you very much. So we will enjoy Garba on 18th of this Saturday night. 8 o'clock you are most welcome, and every night 8 o'clock Maharti is there. Yes, Jimmy Bhai is there, Jimmy Bhai Advani is there. So many people are there, and leading people of Rajkot come here at 8 o'clock every evening at night. Next, Mamta is there. Mamta, please come. So, Mamta, come close a little bit. What was the first year of this event?
It was started in 1999 by Mr. Jimmy Bhai Advani.
Wow, 1999.
Yes.
So you know it is 22 years. Did you enjoy this event?
Yes.
You like this event? Actually, you are from Kutch.
Yes.
Which city is there?
Adipur.
Adipur. You are from Adipur and you are here for this event. Wow, very nice. So friends, people from Kutch, people from Surat, every sector of India come for this event. So that's a wonderful place. Fine. Now I would like to invite next Jay. Jay is with me. Hello Jay, please come.
Yes, sir.
What special event on the 18th on this Saturday? Smiling face.
Sir, special event will be Garba on 18 September. We will enjoy too much. Thank you.
Will you enjoy with traditional dress?
Yes, sir.
Everybody invited with traditional dress, and special event for Sir Institute students,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So it's a special invitation from Jimmy Bhai Advani. Thank you very much. Now next, Harshit. Harshit beta. Very nice, smiling face. See, always smiling. So Harshit, what are the special activities done in Trikonbaka Raja? I mean social activities.
Blood donation and special activity for slum kids, and all students of Rajkot has come for blessings, and many competitions like Mehndi competitions, Rangoli competitions, and Slok enchanting competition, and many more things activities done in Trikonbaka Raja.
Okay, so do you enjoy all the activities?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Thank you very much. So next is Bhargav is there with me. Bhargav, yes. Please. What have you learned from Lord Ganesha?
Lord Ganesha has too many things to learn, but
I have learned,
but some things is inspired me. First thing, Lord Ganesha is every task has completed, and he is inspired me. And second thing, Lord Ganesha's his mother and father is more important than other.
Means love your parents.
Yes,
right.
sir.
It's very
Yes, sir.
important. We should learn first thing that your parents are everything. Your parents are your world, right?
Yes, sir. And his self-respect is everything.
Right.
Lord Ganesha is
Respect everybody, right? Lord Ganesha, it's a very big lesson from Lord Ganesha. Wow, very nice. Means you learn lot of things.
Yes,
so
sir.
first, never forget your parents. It's very necessary. Thank you very much.
sir.
Yes. So next, Mr. Dhaval Advani. Please welcome Dhaval. Last but not the least. So friends, Dhaval is there with me. And Dhaval, there is a very beautiful question for you. How do you proceed? This is a very, any management is there. So first question is that how do you prepare for this event? And how many problems do you face before, how many days do you start this event? Because every single day we have to manage something. So can you tell me something about detail about preparation?
Yes, sir, the preparation starts prior to 2 or 3 months prior to the
3
event.
months?
Yes, sir. And the sir sponsors are to be finalized. Mandal is pandal, who will manage the pandal is to be finalized, and who will take care of the sound, that is to be finalized. Artists are to be finalized, and sir, sometimes the finalized things are they drop and we have to sort them out again. And sir, another problem is that most of other pandals which are there in Rajkot, many people are there involved, be it management or be it finance. This has been single-handedly this has been a one-man show from the beginning.
Yeah, Jimmy by Advance for the last 22 years.
Yes.
So every year there is a new challenge.
Yes, sir. Every year there is new channels. Sometimes artists who are going to perform, they back off. So a solved problem rises again. Then you have to again solve, but not to lose the cool. That is a quality I mean we need to take from him.
Means Lord Ganesha is teaching us management mantra.
Yes.
So that mantras are also applied here also.
Yes, sir. Sir, I would like to add something to it, but as soon as the Ganesh Chaturthi starts, we see the problems being vanished into thin air in front of our eyes, and that is, I think, one of the most beautiful miracles of God, which feels us His presence in this pandal.
Right, definitely, many miracles happen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, despite this rain, always I have seen that people come here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was there 2 to 3 days ago. People do visit in rain or otherwise.
And how do you manage this thing?
Yes, sir. We take care of all the possible things, like electricity issues are there,
right.
but everything is to be managed, taken care of. That anyone does not get electric shock, etc.
Right.
There are many situations, but they are taken care of by Mr. Jimmy.
Means after all, it is 9-time winner. It is reality.
Yes,
so there is a very good management, and that management mantra is given by Lord Ganesha blessing. So stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you very much. So that was a wonderful speech by Dhaval and all the people, all the students of SAR Institute. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Jagdish Sarkar, this is SAR Institute of English and Personal Development. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Bye.